Hey, what's up, gang? It's your boy Iconic back with another video. To be honest with you, I have been getting my ass kicked with the My FX Funds 10K account challenge. Reason being, have not been following my trading plan. I've just been taking random fucking trades, and I've been doing that shit while I was at work on my cell phone, not seeing a clear direction, not getting a good analysis. So obviously I have to take full accountability for my fuck ups, and I keep fucking up and I can't figure out why I'm fucking up. But neither here nor there. It's definitely something that all traders go through. But let's get on with it. Right now, I did take a long on USD. I'm sorry, the US 30. Um, right now my account is down, and the max that I could lose for me to have the violation is about $464. So I literally went all in on this trade. I know I could probably trade $1 per pip and try and make the account back, but I'm so agitated and frustrated with myself, I just went all in, right? So $464 I think is the max that I could lose, and then this account is done. So I took one trade, 5 lots, roughly about $5 per pip, and I have a stop loss of about $459. So if I get stopped out, that's it. So I'm just gonna walk you through the account and let you guys see the balance right now. So this is account number 4485257. That's at the top left top corner of the MetaTrader platform, and I'm gonna pull up a browser real fast. Okay, and I'm gonna log in. My FX Funds. All right, just waiting for this bad boy to load. Okay. All right, so I'm logging in. All right, you guys can see the account number here. Again, it's 4485257. We're just gonna click on it. The dashboard is not the fanciest thing. I've done the FTMO back challenge, and their platform is a little bit more robust, but again, that has nothing to do with the way you trade. But so here we go. So the current balance as we speak is 9,289.19. The max I was doing pretty good, and then I just took a fucking nosedive off the cliff, right? So you can see that I passed the 5 days, so you have to trade a minimum of 5 days, and I've been doing it now 6 days. Okay, and I've lost $710.81. And look at these crazy ass trades, man. It's just been ridiculous. I've just been losing left and fucking right. But anyway, just wanted to make a quick video showing you the trade that I'm in currently, and I'm gonna pause the video, and again, it could only go two way. Either I'm gonna get stopped out, or it's gonna go to the moon like Bitcoin, and then I'll be back in the game, and that will actually allow me to pass phase one, and then hopefully with phase two I'll be a little bit more diligent. I would definitely follow my trade plan. I'm not fucking trading off my phone again unless I'm either closing out a position that I took while I was at home. So again, the stop loss, let's kind of adjust it. So if you look to the far left, you'll see right now 459.20. That's the max I'm trying to lose on this position, and again, that's just gonna blow the account. I'm not about to try and do $1 per pip and try to bring it back. I'm just, honest to God, fucking frustrated like most forex traders. Definitely there's a lack of discipline, but I'm working on it. So let's pause the video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you want to see how this challenge turns out for me, and if you want to see me get that new Audi Q8 Quattro, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna show you my wallpaper real quick so you can see what I'm trying to accomplish here. I want to travel on a private jet. For my wife, an AMG GLE 53 Coupe. For me, it's the Audi Quattro. That's the Q8. Healthy, happy, and blessed family. Want to see my two boys graduate college. Definitely trading for a living. Strong faith in God. I want to give back. My family and I, we already volunteer. We already believe in, a higher power Definitely not trading for a living. I do have a decent house right now, but I definitely want to upgrade that. I want to give my wife everything that I promised her when we first met, which was 21 years ago. All right, so again, I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to come back a little bit later. If the account is blown, I'm going to show it to you. And then I'm just going to get another account, which is about $88. Obviously not the same night, but that's what I'm definitely going to get. So I'm going to go back to the drawing board. I'm going to reassess myself and why I keep doing the things that I do. Can't blame it on nobody else but me. I'm the one that's fucking up, so I have to take full responsibility. And if you are fucking up in your trading, again, you have to take full responsibility. So hopefully we can learn and grow together. So again, just go ahead and smash the like button or the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can see whenever I drop a new video. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back in the next few hours. Hey, what's up, gang? It is currently 4:48 p.m. and I'm giving you an update on this trade. I actually closed it out at work today a little bit early. So in the beginning part of the video, I think I took the trade somewhere up here, and the market ran up right now a total of about 244 pips, and I think I got out maybe about 140 pips, not exactly sure. But I'm going to go ahead and show you where my account is right now. So if you remember in the beginning of the video, I was down to just only $464. That was the max for the day, max for the account. So let's go ahead and log in into My FX Funds. All right, continue. Computer is moving a little bit slow, so again, it's going to be account number 4485257. Excuse me. All right, so right now it is at 10,171.89, and today's profit was $882.70. That's what I made. So the max allowable drawdown right now is $464, but again, I did bring the account back up, so now I have the total that I can lose on the account is what, $1,200. That's the max that I could lose, and my per day loss is at $464, which I think this is gonna reset. I don't think it reset yet. It should reset back to $500 if I'm not mistaken. But as far as my maximum loss, again, it's gonna be $1,200. So $1,200 from 10,000 is gonna leave that $8,800. So I'm kind of back in the game. Just need to plan my trades a lot better, not trade at work, even though I did actually trade at work today. I added on some lot size. So initially I took 5 lots. They're I guess they're standard lots, but on this particular broker that they use, I think it's TTG if I'm not mistaken, for the US 30, it's Traders Global Group, so TGG. Okay, so for one lot it's $1, so I went in at $5 and I was risking $459 or something like that, which is pretty much the whole account. And then I added several lots, but like I was explaining, I was like fucking up this account. I'm gonna go to my trade history so you guys can see how poorly I was trading. Okay, so let's go to the bottom, because I think this is the last set of trades that I took from here all the way down. So it was 5 lots, then I added 2 lots, added 2 more lots, 2 more lots, and then 2 more lots. So that's a total of, what's that, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So 13 lots I had on that one trade. Each of them was in profit. Had I if I had let them run all the way up here, then I probably would have passed the phase 1 of the My FX Funds challenge. But neither here nor there. I'm back in the game, so I'm gonna wait for the market to open. I'm gonna scan again and see if I see any profitable trades. Definitely trying to stick to my trading rules and my trading plan, because that threw me off. I think just I don't know, maybe it's just addiction. Maybe I'm just addicted to the market. You know, at one point I was gonna just uninstall the app from my phone, but I'm probably just gonna reinstall it. I'm just being honest. So anyway, I'm just gonna cut this video short. So that's it for this trade. So I'm back in the game, and I'm looking to. So I think I'm up about $128. Let's see. Let's go back. Actually, so $171. So if I'm doing my math right, that's about 600. Actually, $728.11. I'm in my head right now that I need to go to pass phase one. It was very rocky over the last 6 days, but I pulled through. I held strong. I did actually feel like giving up, but I did not. I messaged one of my friends who was also a forex trader. Again, he's the one that introduced me to this broker, and he's like, "Yo, just take your profits. Just take your profits. Stop acting like you're making $300 at work or $200 a day at work. Much less, I was up today about $1,200 and I did not close it. And then I just like, you know what? He's actually right. Let me just take my profits because I'm definitely not making $800 a day at work. So I closed it out, and that's how I ended up at $882.70 for the day. So again, if you like the video, if you want to see me continue to trade and succeed, go ahead, give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Rick, aka Iconic, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.